ब्रह्मनाथ। ओ शांति शांति शांति। Hello students, welcome to my video lecture. In last class we discussed trigonometric equation and their some applications. That means some trigonometry formulas are 1 sin theta is equal to 0, then theta is equal to integer pi, cos theta is equal to 0, then theta is equal to odd pi by 2. Next, tan theta is equal to 0, theta is equal to integer pi, sin theta is equal to 1, theta is equal to 4n plus 1 into pi by 2, sin theta is equal to minus 1, then theta is equal to 4n minus 1 into pi by 2, cos theta is equal to plus 1, then theta is equal to even pi, that is 2n pi, cos theta is equal to minus 1, then theta is equal to 2n plus 1 pi, odd pi, tan theta is equal to 1, then theta is equal to n pi plus pi by 4. Next, sin theta is equal to sin alpha, then theta is equal to minus 1 to power n into alpha plus n pi, where alpha belongs to square bracket minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Cos theta is equal to cos alpha implies theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha, and alpha belongs to 0 to pi. Next, tan theta is equal to tan alpha implies theta is equal to n pi plus alpha, where alpha belongs to open interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Next, sin square theta is equal to sin square alpha, so theta is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha. Cos square theta is equal to cos square alpha, theta is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha. Tan square theta is equal to tan square alpha, so theta is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha. Okay. Today we are going to discuss same trigonometry equation. Okay, so the solution of the type a cos x plus b sin x is equal to c. Okay, the solution of the type the solution of the type a cos x plus or minus b sin x is equal to c. से प्लस था कि माइनस था. ओके, a cos x plus or minus b sin x is equal to c. So in this case reduce both cos and sin to either sin form or cos form. ओके, तो ये आम कौन कर सब्स्टिट्यूट कर. तो पुट सॉल्यूशन given a cos x plus b sin x is equal to c here given. So put a is equal to r cos theta, b is equal to r sin theta. Yes, again कौन दिया a is equal to r cos theta, b is equal to r sin theta. Okay, तो implies a square plus b square is equal to r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. So is equal to, taking r square as a common, it becomes cos square theta plus sin square theta. But cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So this is r square. So therefore r is equal to square root of a square plus b square. Hence r is constant because a and b both are constant. Therefore r is constant. Again b by a is equal to r sin alpha theta by r cos theta. तो r cancel, तो implies sin by cos is tan, तो tan theta is equal to b by a. Since b and a both are constant, so tan theta also constant. Tan theta also constant. So find the value of theta here. Suppose b by a is equal to 1, so tan theta is equal to 1, implies theta is equal to pi by 4. Suppose b by a is equal to root 3, so tan theta is equal to root 3, then theta is equal to pi by 3. Suppose b by a is equal to 1 by root 3, then tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3, implies theta is equal to pi by 6. Okay? So therefore now a cos x plus b sin x is equal to कौन c. So implies what is a? A is equal to r cos theta into cos x. What is b? R sin theta into sin x is equal to c. Okay. So taking r is a common. So this implies r into the cos theta into cos x plus sin theta into sin x is equal to c. So implies r into cos a into cos b plus sin a into sin b is equal to cos of a minus b. So this is cos of a minus b, x minus theta or theta minus x, because cos of minus theta is equal to plus cos theta. तो cos of x minus theta कर पहला होगा, cos of theta minus x कर भी होगा, तो is equal to कौन आसला c. तो implies cos of x minus theta is equal to c by r. Cos of x minus theta is equal to what? C by r. Okay. अच्छा, is equal to if c by r means कौन? C by r. R means root over a square plus b square. If c by root a square plus b square is less than or equal to 1, then solution possible. Then solution possible. If c by square root of a square plus b square is less than or equal to 1, then solution possible. Okay. So cos of x minus theta is equal to c by this. Agu suppose कौन नबा c by root a square plus b square is equal to suppose cos alpha. Let. So this implies x minus theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha, comma n belongs to z. So what is x? X is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha plus theta. N belongs to z. Okay. ये हमारा general solution. This is called general solution. This is called general solution. General solution. Okay. अच्छा, if c by root a square plus b square greater than 1, then solution not possible, because maximum value of cos x minus theta is 1. Okay, maximum value of cos x minus theta is 1. So here if c by a square root a square b square is greater than 1, then cos of x minus theta is greater than 1. It is not possible. Okay. So using this, we can do some problems. There are some question दिया है solve. Solve means find the general solution. Solve cos x plus root 3 sin x equal to root 2. That means a cos x plus b sin x is equal to c. This is also a sin theta plus b cos theta is equal to a sin theta plus a sin x plus b cos x is equal to c. Okay. So second one is find the principal solution. First and third find the general solution only. So solution first one given cos x plus root 3 sin x is equal to root 2. Here a means a cos x, a is equal to 1, b is equal to root 3. Okay. Now comparing or comparing means now put what is the coefficient of cos x? 1. So comparing the above equation with A cos x plus B sin x is equal to C. We get A is equal to 1, B is equal to root 3, C is equal to root 2. So put 1 is equal to r cos theta and root 3 is equal to r sin theta. A is equal to r cos theta, B is equal to r sin theta. Therefore, r is equal to square root of a square plus b square. Square root of 1 square plus root 3 square equal to 1 plus 3 means root 4 is equal to 2. So, r is equal to 2. Okay. So, r is equal to 2. So the given equation becomes and root 3 by 1 is equal to r sin theta by r cos theta. R cancel. So sin by cos is tan theta. Tan theta is equal to root 3. So tan theta is equal to root 3. So theta is equal to what? Pi by 3. Because tan 60 degree is equal to root 3. So theta is equal to pi by 3. Theta is equal to what? Pi by 3. So therefore given equation, the equation 1 becomes okay, एटी कौन अच्छी 1 इंटू अच्छी तो 1 जगह कौन पड़ो r cos थीटा तो r cos थीटा इंटू cos x प्लस r sin थीटा इंटू sin x इज इक्वल टू रूट 2. तो इम्प्लाइज r इज कॉमन बाहर कर दियो तो cos थीटा इंटू cos x प्लस sin थीटा इंटू sin x इज इक्वल टू रूट 2. तो इम्प्लाइज r into this is cos a into cos b plus sin a into sin b. So cos of a minus b x minus theta is equal to root 2. So implies cos of x minus theta is equal to root 2 by r. R ta kehte 2. What is r? R is equal to 2. So root 2 by 2. So implies cos of x minus theta is equal to 1 by root 2. So root 2 by 2 means 1 by root 2 is less than 1. Okay, the solution possible. This is less than 1. Therefore, solution possible. Solution possible. Now, cos of x minus theta is equal to 1 by root 2 is equal to cos pi by 4. Because cos pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2. So cos x is equal to cos alpha. So use cos x is equal to cos alpha formula. So x minus theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 4. So implies x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 4 plus theta. That implies 2n pi. That implies x is equal to 2n pi plus theta. What is theta? Theta is pi by 3. So plus pi by 3 plus or minus pi by 4. This is theta. Okay. So n belongs to what? N belongs to z. So this is the general solution, which is the required general solution. Okay. Second number देखो ठीक second number given root 3 sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 2. root 3 sin theta minus cos theta ले कौन दिया है 2. बोले काम कर दे ठी. This is minus 1 into cos theta plus root 3 into sin theta is equal to 2. Okay, here a is equal to minus 1, b is equal to root 3. A is equal to minus 1, b is equal to root 3. Therefore, r is equal to square root of a square plus b square. Square root of minus 1 square plus root 3 square. That is 2. Okay? अच्छा तापरे put a is equal to 1 is equal to r cos alpha, b is equal to root 3 is equal to r sin alpha. Okay, therefore √3/1 means b by a. b by a is equal to √3/1 is equal to b by a -1 b by a is equal to r sin alpha by r cos alpha. R cancel. So tan alpha is equal to -√3. So tan alpha is -√3 means lies in second quadrant. So alpha is equal to 10 of 120 degree means 2 pi by 3. Okay, sorry, minus pi by 3. 10 of minus pi by 3. कहीं माइनस फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट -π/2 +π/2 रहना पड़ेगा अल्फा राइस नहीं कि तो इम्प्लाइज अल्फा इज इक्वल टू -π/3 अल्फा इक्वल व्हाट -π/3. So therefore equation 1 becomes, sorry, this is equation 1. Therefore equation 1 becomes एटा केते a is equal to -1 equal r cos alpha. So r cos alpha into cos theta plus r sin alpha into sin theta is equal to 2. So implies r common कर दले. So cos alpha into cos theta plus sin alpha into sin theta is equal to 2. Okay. So implies r into this is the cos of theta minus alpha is equal to 2, or cos of theta minus alpha is equal to 2 by r is equal to 2 by 2 is equal to 1. So cos of theta minus alpha is equal to 1 means 1. So theta minus alpha is equal to 2n pi, n belongs to z, or theta is equal to 2n pi plus alpha. So 2n pi, what is alpha? Alpha is -π/3, n belongs to z. But to find principal solution बाहर करिया को principal solution. So principal solution means the solution lies between 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 2 pi, where 0 and 2 pi both are included. So ठीक अच्छी put n is equal to 0, theta is equal to -π/3 less than 0. नवन इटा को हमें n is equal to 1, theta is equal to 2 pi -π/3. So this is 5 pi/3. Okay, n is equal to 2, theta is equal to 4 pi -π/3. So 11 pi/3. 11 by 3 greater than 2 pi. तो ये भी ना बनी. Therefore कौन पाइला particular solution? Required particular solution. Required principal solution. Principal solution is curly bracket 5 pi/3. 5 pi/3. Okay. Third one, given 3 sin x plus 4 cos x is equal to 5, or we can write 4 cos x plus 3 sin x is equal to 5. So a is equal to 4, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 5, r is equal to root a square plus b square. The square root of 4 square plus 3 square is equal to 5. Okay, and b by a is equal to tan alpha. नहीं, तो implies what is b? b is equal to 3. 3/4 is equal to tan alpha. Okay. Implies alpha is equal to tan inverse 3/4. Alpha is equal to tan inverse 3/4. So therefore equation 1 becomes कौन करिबा 4 जगह r cos alpha पकाया नहीं कि 4 is equal to r cos alpha into cos x plus r sin alpha into sin x is equal to 5. So implies r into 4 is equal to r cos alpha, 3 is equal to r sin alpha. So r into cos alpha into cos x plus sin alpha into sin x is equal to 5. So implies r into, this is the cos of x minus alpha इज इक्वल टू 5, तो cos ऑफ x माइनस अल्फा इज इक्वल टू 5/r इज इक्वल टू 5/5 इज इक्वल टू 1, तो cos ऑफ x माइनस अल्फा इज इक्वल टू 1, 1 मीन्स कौन आसीबो x माइनस अल्फा इज इक्वल टू 2n पाई इवन पाई n बिलोंग्स टू z, तो व्हाट इज x x is equal to 2n pi plus alpha, where what is alpha is equal to tan inverse 3/4. Okay, n belongs to z. This is the required general solution. What is the required general solution? Okay, there are some questions given. Find their general solution. Find their general solution. Okay, देखो ये सम क्वेश्चन दिया है फाइंड द जनरल सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फंक्शन, फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस नहीं कि, तो ठीक अच्छी 1 गिवन ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक इक्वेशंस आर 10x इज इक्वल टू cot bx, 10x इज इक्वल टू cot bx. ओके, तो दिस implies sin, convert 10 as a sin by cos, so this is sin x by cos x and cot bx is equal to cos bx divided by sin bx. तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दियो, sin x into sin bx is equal to cos x into cos bx. तो एटा को राइट साइड नहीं जाओ, तो cos x into cos bx minus sin ax into sin bx is equal to 0. तो implies, तो cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b is equal to कौन सी sin of cos of a plus b, तो this is cos of ax plus bx is equal to 0. cos theta is equal to 0 means theta is odd pi by 2, so this implies ax plus bx is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2, comma n belongs to z. तो implies x कॉमन बाहर कर दियो, a plus b is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2, तो implies what is x, तो x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi divided by 2 into a plus b. Okay, तो n belongs to z, which is required general solution. Okay, next question sin theta, second number sec theta plus tan theta is equal to root 3 given. Sec theta plus tan theta is equal to root 3 given. We have a relation between sec and tan, that means sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, but here given sec theta plus tan theta, so multiply both numerator and denominator by sec theta minus tan theta. Okay, so this is equation 1, so this implies sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta divided by sec theta minus tan theta is equal to root 3. Okay, so a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, so this is a square minus b square divided by sec theta minus tan theta is equal to root 3. अच्छा sec square minus tan square is 1, तो 1 by sec theta minus tan theta is equal to root 3. तो therefore sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. This is equation 2. Sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. तो adding 1 and 2, 1 plus 2, यदि 1 plus 2 करिबा ताले कौन देखो sec theta plus tan theta root 3, sec theta minus tan theta equal to 1 by root 3. So this implies 2 sec theta is equal to root 3 plus 1 by root 3, implies 2 sec theta is equal to 3 plus 1 by root 3, that is 4 by root 3. तो implies sec theta is equal to 2 by root 3, implies cos theta उल्टे दियो, cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2, तो cos theta equal to root 3 by 2 means cos pi by 6, cos pi by 6 is equal to root 3 by 2. तो what is theta, तो theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 6 n belongs to z, which is the required general solution. है cos theta is equal to cos alpha, cos theta is equal to cos alpha implies theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Okay. Next question, third number given equation, given that sin theta plus sin 2 theta plus sin 3 theta plus sin 4 theta is equal to 0. Okay. तो here use sin c plus sin d form. तो काम कर ये है देख ऑड सहित ऑड नियो इवेन सहित इवेन नियो. ओके. तो दिस इम्प्लाइज sin 3 theta plus sin theta plus sin 4 theta plus sin 2 theta is equal to 0. तो यूज sin c plus sin d फॉर्म, sin c plus sin d. तो 2 sin c plus d डिवाइड बाई 2 इंटू cos 3 theta minus theta by 2 plus again sin c plus sin d. तो 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 is equal to 0. तो implies 2 sin 4 theta by 2 means 2 theta into cos 3 theta minus theta 2 theta by 2 means theta plus 2 sin 4 theta plus 2 theta 6 theta by 2 that is 3 theta into cos 4 theta minus 2 theta by 2 means theta is equal to 0. So taking 2 cos theta is common. So it is sin 2 theta plus sin 3 theta is equal to 0. So implies cos theta is equal to 0 or sin 2 theta plus sin 3 theta is equal to 0. तो implies cos theta is equal to 0 means theta is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2 comma n belongs to z. This is one general solution. और it use कर sin c plus sin d आथर again. तो c is equal to 3 theta, d is equal to 2 theta निया. तो greater angle लगु c नलो, smaller angle लगु नलो d. तो sin c plus sin d. तो कौन आसीबो 2 sin 3 theta plus 2 theta by 2 into cos 3 theta minus 2 theta by 2 is equal to 0. तो implies 2 sin 5 theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 is equal to 0. Okay. तो implies sin 5 theta by 2 is equal to 0 or cos theta by 2 is equal to 0. Sin 5 theta by 2 is equal to 0 implies theta by 2 is equal to 0. So this implies sin theta is equal to 0 means theta is equal to integer pi. The अर्थ 5 theta by 2 is equal to integer pi n belongs to z or cos theta equal to 0 means theta is equal to odd pi by 2. So this is theta by 2. Theta by 2 is equal to odd pi by 2. n belongs to z. Okay, n belongs to z. So implies what is theta? Theta is 2n pi divided by 5. n belongs to z. This is another general solution. Or here 2 to cancel. So theta is equal to 2n plus 1 odd pi comma n belongs to z. This is another general solution. So 3 general solution पहला में 2n plus 1 pi by 2, next 2n pi by 5, next 2n plus 1 pi. Okay, these are the general solution of the equation sin theta plus sin 2 theta plus sin 3 theta plus sin 4 theta is equal to 0. Okay. Next question, question number 4. Question number 4, given equation is cos 2x plus cos x minus 2 is equal to 0. Cos 2x plus cos x minus 2 is equal to 0. तो one of the angle is 2x, another angle is x. तो डिफरेंस अच्छे हमर एंगल भितर. तो काम कर cos 2x इज इक्वल टू कौन करवा 2 cos square x minus 1 करते. There are 4 formula for cos 2x. One is cos square x minus sin square x. Second one 2 cos square x minus 1. Third one 1 minus 2 sin square x. fourth one 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. Here given cos x, so we put 2 cos square x minus 1 instead of cos 2x. Okay, so this implies the cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1 plus cos x minus 2 is equal to 0. So implies 2 cos square x plus cos x minus 3 is equal to 0. एटा स्प्लिट करिबा तो मल्टीप्लाई कला बेलू माइनस 6 2 इंटू माइनस 3 माइनस 6 ऐड कला बेलू प्लस cos x. तो दिस इम्प्लाइज 2 cos square x plus 3 cos x, this is minus 2 cos x plus 3 cos x minus 3 is equal to 0. तो taking 2 cos x as a common from first and second term, तो 2 cos x common कर देले cos x minus 1 plus 3 common कर देले cos x minus 1 is equal to 0. तो implies cos x minus 1 common आसीगला 2 cos x plus 3 is equal to 0. Implies cos x minus 1 is equal to 0 because 2 cos x plus 3 not is equal to 0. कहीं ना cos x is not is equal to minus 3 by 2. This is less than minus 1. Okay, so cos x always lies between minus 1 to plus 1, but here cos x equal to minus 3 by 2, which is less than minus 1. So the solution not possible. So cos x is equal to 1 means cos x is equal to 1. Cos x equal to 1 means x is equal to even pi to n pi comma n belongs to z. This is the required general solution. The required general solution. Okay. Next question number 5. Question number 5, given that tan theta plus tan 2 theta is equal to tan 3 theta. Okay, tan theta plus tan 2 theta is equal to tan 3 theta. So implies tan theta plus tan 2 theta is equal to tan of 3 theta means theta plus 2 theta. तो यूज tan of a plus b formula. Use tan of a plus b. तो दिस इज tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. 1 minus tan a into tan b. Okay. तो this implies tan theta plus tan 2 theta minus सब जगह 1 साइड आन दियो minus of tan theta plus tan 2 theta divided by 1 minus tan theta into tan 2 theta is equal to 0. So here tan theta plus tan 2 is common. So this implies tan theta plus tan 2 theta common बाहर कर दियो, it becomes 1 minus 1 by 1 minus tan theta into tan 2 theta is equal to 0. तो implies tan theta plus tan 2 theta into 1 minus tan theta is LCM. Okay, so 1 minus tan theta into tan 2 theta minus 1 is equal to 0. So 1 1 cancel. Okay, so implies this is tan theta plus tan 2 theta into minus of tan theta into tan 2 theta is equal to 0. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करा है गला is equal to 0. तो this implies tan theta plus tan 2 theta is equal to 0 or tan theta is equal to 0 or tan 2 theta is equal to 0. Okay, a into b into c equal to 0 means either a equal to 0 or b equal to 0 or c is equal to 0. So implies this is tan 2 theta is equal to minus tan theta. Tan 2 theta equal to minus tan theta. The tan theta equal to 0 means theta is equal to n pi. N belongs to z. This is one general solution. Or tan 2 theta equal to 0 means 2 theta is equal to n pi. N belongs to z. So this implies theta is equal to n pi by 2. N belongs to z. Okay. Next, this implies tan 2 theta is equal to minus tan theta. So minus tan theta means tan of minus theta, because tan of minus x equal to minus tan x. So this is tan of minus theta, minus tan of minus theta equal to minus tan theta. So tan of x is equal to tan of alpha. Tan of x is equal to tan of alpha, implies x is equal to n pi plus alpha. Alpha means minus theta. So implies 3 theta. Theta equal to 1. So n pi, n belongs to z. So theta is equal to what? N pi by 3, comma n belongs to z. These are the general solutions. These are the general solutions. Okay. Next question, question number 6. Question number 6, given equation, given that tan x plus tan 4x plus tan 7x is equal to tan x into tan 4x into tan 7x. Okay. This is the sum of 3 is equal to product of 3 हिसाब दिया है. तो लेफ्ट साइड तो गोटे टर्म राइट साइड नहीं जा, गोटे टर्म जे कौन गोटे को राइट साइड नहीं जा. ओके. तो इम्प्लाइज tan x प्लस tan 4x is equal to tan x into tan 4x into tan 7x minus tan 7x. ओके. तो इम्प्लाइज tan x प्लस tan 4x is equal to the tan 7x कॉमन अच्छी, तो माइनस tan 7x कॉमन काट दबा. जो माइनस कर ले ये कौन है, ये प्लस 1, दिस इज प्लस 1, माइनस बिकम्स प्लस. ये प्लस कौन हम माइनस, माइनस tan x इंटू कौन हम tan 4x. ओके. तो इम्प्लाइज tan x प्लस tan 4x डिवाइडेड बाय दिस, डिवाइड बाय 1 माइनस tan x into tan 4x is equal to minus tan 7x is equal to minus tan 7x. Okay. So this implies this is tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b. Okay. So this is tan of a plus b is equal to minus tan x is equal to tan of minus 7x, tan of minus 7x. तो इन लिखो, तो tan of 5x is equal to tan of minus 7x. तो tan x equal to tan alpha. Tan x equal to tan alpha means x equal to n pi plus alpha. So this implies x means here 5x is equal to n pi plus alpha. Plus alpha means minus 7x. n belongs to z. n belongs to कौन z. तो minus 7x को लेफ्ट साइड आने दिले कौन हो, प्लस 7x हो. तो 5x plus 7x is equal to n pi. तो implies 12x is equal to n pi. Implies x is equal to what? n pi by 12. n belongs to z. The अर्थ 7x plus 4x plus x, 7 plus 4 11x plus x means 12x is equal to n pi. Implies x is equal to n pi by 12, n pi by 12. Okay. Suppose the question is tan x plus tan 2x plus tan 3x is equal to tan x into tan 2x into tan 3x. So what is the solution? What is the general solution? कहले कौन आसीबो, nx x is equal to n pi divided by 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6, n pi by 6. Okay. Next question number 7. Question number 7, given that tan theta plus pi by 3 plus tan theta plus 2 pi by 3 is equal to 3 given, is equal to 3 given. Okay. तो फाइंड द सॉल्यूशन को है जी. तो इम्प्लाइज tan थीटा को कांस्टेंट रख दियो. तो एटा कौन रखो, tan ऑफ a प्लस b. यूज द फार्मूला tan ऑफ a प्लस b. ओके. तो tan a प्लस tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. This also tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b is equal to 3. Is equal to 3. So implies tan theta plus tan pi by 3, tan 60 degree, tan 60 means root 3. So this is root 3. डिवाइड बाय 1 माइनस tan 60 √3 तो √3 tan थीटा प्लस tan थीटा एटा tan 2π/3 tan 2π/3 मीन्स tan ऑफ 120 डिग्री tan ऑफ 120 डिग्री मीन्स माइनस √3 ओके तो दिस इज माइनस √3 डिवाइड बाय 1 दिस इज प्लस हे जिवो ए दुईटार सम एडी दुईटार प्रोडक्ट ए दुईटार सम मीन्स कौन हम प्रोडक्ट हम तो √3 tan थीटा इज इक्वल टू 3 तो इम्प्लाइज tan थीटा इज देयर प्लस फाइंड द एलसीएम बिटवीन दिस तो 1 माइनस √3 tan थीटा इंटू 1 प्लस √3 tan थीटा ओके तो मल्टीप्लाई करेगा tan थीटा प्लस √3 इंटू 1 प्लस √3 tan थीटा प्लस tan थीटा माइनस √3 इंटू 1 माइनस √3 tan थीटा इज इक्वल टू 3 ओके इज इक्वल टू 3 तो इम्प्लाइज tan थीटा प्लस ये मल्टीप्लाई कर देख मल्टीप्लाई करो दिस इज tan थीटा प्लस √3 प्लस √3 tan स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस 3 tan थीटा प्लस tan थीटा माइनस √3 माइनस √3 tan स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस 3 tan थीटा डिवाइडेड बाय 1 माइनस 3 tan स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 3 इज इक्वल टू कौन 3 ओके ताल देखो ये प्लस √3 की माइनस √3 कैंसल चला राइट रहेगा ओके प्लस √3 की माइनस √3 कैंसल प्लस √3 tan स्क्वायर थीटा को माइनस √3 tan स्क्वायर कौन है कैंसल हो गला ओके तो इम्प्लाइज tan थीटा प्लस ये tan थीटा प्लस 3 tan थीटा 4 tan थीटा प्लस tan थीटा 5 प्लस 3 8 tan थीटा तो दिस इज 8 tan थीटा डिवाइड बाय 1 माइनस 3 tan स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 3 ओके तो इम्प्लाइज अगेन फाइंड एलसीएम 1 माइनस 3 tan स्क्वायर थीटा इज एलसीएम तो दिस इज tan थीटा इंटू 1 माइनस 3 tan स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस प्लस 8 tan थीटा प्लस 8 tan थीटा इज इक्वल टू 3 तो इम्प्लाइज मल्टीप्लाई करो तो tan थीटा माइनस 3 tan क्यू थीटा प्लस 8 tan थीटा डिवाइड बाय 1 माइनस 3 tan स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 3 तो इम्प्लाइज tan थीटा प्लस 8 tan थीटा इज 9 tan थीटा 9 tan थीटा माइनस 3 tan क्यू थीटा डिवाइड बाय 1 माइनस 3 tan स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू व्हाट 3 इज इक्वल टू 3 ओके तो इम्प्लाइज टेकिंग 3 इज ए कॉमन तो 3 इंटू दिस इज 3 tan थीटा माइनस tan क्यू थीटा डिवाइडेड बाय 1 माइनस 3 tan स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 3 ओके तो इम्प्लाइज 3 tan थीटा माइनस tan क्यू थीटा बाय 1 माइनस 3 tan स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 3/3 तो इम्प्लाई दिस इज 3 tan ए माइनस tan क्यू ए बाई 1 माइनस 3 tan स्क्वायर इज tan 3a तो tan 3 थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1 तो tan थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1 मीन्स tan π/4 तो tan थीटा इक्वल टू tan अल्फा मीन्स थीटा इक्वल nπ प्लस अल्फा तो दिस इज इक्वल टू tan π/4 तो इम्प्लाइज यूज द फार्मूला tan थीटा इज इक्वल टू tan अल्फा तो थीटा इज इक्वल टू nπ प्लस अल्फा n बिलोंग्स टू z तो व्हाट इज थीटा थीटा इज इक्वल 1/3 nπ प्लस π/4 कॉमा n बिलोंग्स टू z तो आउट जे सिंप्लीफाई कर दबा थीटा इज इक्वल टू दिस इज 4n प्लस 1 4n π प्लस π मीन्स 4n प्लस 1 π/12 n बिलोंग्स टू z 4n plus 1 π/12 n belongs to z which is this is the general solution. This is called general solution of the trigonometric equation tan theta plus pi by 3 plus tan theta plus 2 pi by 3. Okay no nahi. Next question number 1. Find the general solution of cos x to power sin square x minus 3 by 2 sin x plus half is equal to 1. Condition cos x not is equal to 0. Okay, and second one 2 sec square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 5. Okay, so these are two questions. Next class रे करिवा हला. Okay.